What's good? What's good? Hope you guys are doing well. So we're going to be adding gold and silver to the channel maybe once a week or so. I'll do an update on gold and silver. So make sure to hang around for that. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Mostly I do crypto, but I will be covering gold and silver about once a week. So we're going to start here on the daily time frame. We have this wave 4 low back in July of 2025. We counted 5 waves up. And now we're going through a correction, ABC into a W, WXY into an X, and then looking to come down in the Y. So we're looking to push up towards the X, towards this trend line of rejection, which is coming in at about 4.8K, before continuation to the downside, coming down and breaking these lows and heading towards 3K for gold. Now let's jump over to the 4-hour time frame where we can take a closer look. So I'm looking for price to push up towards that trend line in the wave Y to complete the larger wave X. Now we do have a nice little inverse head and shoulders. So this could be a nice little trade setup with a break of the trend line. Put your stop loss right underneath the low and trade it up to that trend line. About 2.5 to 1, 2.6. If you want to take a little bit more risk, you could trade it 3 to 1 because we should break that wave W high. So let's see if that trend line breaks on that nice little inverse head and shoulders. Now, if we do roll over, I would only expect this to come down and potentially create one more low before pushing back to the upside. But let's see if we can break this trend line and see that push up towards our wave Y and towards this larger upper trend line, which is coming in right around 4.8K. Okay, let's take a look at silver quickly. We'll also start on the daily. Let me zoom out a bit and give you the larger wave count here. So off this low here, all the way back in March 2020, we're counting a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. We've completed the wave 3, and now we're going through a WXYXZ correction in the wave 4 to come down in between $46 and $58. Now, of course, anything can happen, but I do like to show the primary wave count and stick with that instead of giving you 3-4 different wave counts. I think it's kind of ridiculous. So if we pop over into the 4-hour chart, we've already completed the wave X. Now we've come down in the wave Z, so I do think we're going to push up from here. As you can see, we created a nice little bottom. Look for a rejection in between $80 and $84. That could offer a good short all the way down to 58. If we do end up starting to break 84, that gives a higher probability that the wave X simply isn't finished. You're going to push up a little bit higher before dropping, but I do think there's a very good chance we reject from the zone. So what you can wait for is price to enter and then start to break 80.78 before entering your trade and trading it down in the wave Z. All right, gang, that's it for gold and silver. If you want completely free access to my trading group, sign up to MEXC. You can trade gold and silver with USDT, as well as all your favorite cryptos are on here. Take 30 seconds of your time. There's no strings attached. Once you've signed up, just send me an email. Sign up through my link. Send me an email, and I will send you the link to my Discord where I'm posting my gold and silver analysis, as well as all our crypto coins, crypto projects that we're covering. Yours free. Just take that quick 10 minutes to sign up to MEXC. Send me an email. I'll send you the link. No strings attached. You can trade gold, silver, and a bunch of other Forex pairs with USDT. As well as many crypto projects. All right, gang, all links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.